Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a viral Empire State selfie photo trend. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but first of all you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all you will need to copy the prompt that I will leave in the description. So as you can see, here is the prompt. You need to just simply copy it, so select the entire prompt like that and then copy. So go back and you need to open the ChatGPT or any other AI that can make AI images based on the prompt. So once you go to the ChatGPT, you need to paste the prompt like that and then upload photos as a reference. So if you want to only you appear in the photo, you need to upload the photo of yourself, or if you want the couple photo of this trend, you will need to upload a photo of yourself and the guy that you want to be near with. So I'll just upload a photo of myself. So click on the add one photo like that and just simply send this prompt and the photo to the chat and wait a little bit until the ChatGPT will create the photo. So ChatGPT finished uploading my photo. Now I can click on it and click on the top right corner to the download button to save the photo, and now I can post it on my social media and use it whenever I want. So basically that is it. That is how you can make a viral Empire State Building selfie trend. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.